How much is the Prime Minister of Jamaica worth? In this video, we'll try and find out. The Prime Minister of Jamaica is the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness. He was first elected as Member of Parliament to represent the constituency of West Central St. Andrew in 1997 at the age of 25 and is now in his fourth consecutive term as MP. Andrew Holness became Jamaica's 9th Prime Minister after the Jamaica Labour Party defeated the People's National Party at the polls on February 25, 2016. Andrew Holness studied at St. Catherine High School and the University of the West Indies, where he pursued a Bachelor of Science in Management Studies and a Master of Science in Development. Andrew Holness is married to Juliet Holness, whom he had met as a student at the St. Catherine High School. The two married in 1997 and have 2 children. Being the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness receives a salary of $9.16 million annually, which was increased to $22.3 million on April 1, 2022, which would be followed by an increase of $25.2 million on April 1, 2023 and $28.5 million on April 1, 2024. Representing a 214% hike, but due to public outcry, he gave up his massive salary increase and will remain at his previous salary of $9.16 million. In the run-up to the 2016 election, Andrew Holness's mansion, which was under construction at the time, became a talking point for the PNP party, with many questioning how he was affording to fund its construction. In a response to Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips at the time, who was critical of Holness's house, Andrew Holness said that his house was the product of ambition and hard work. He also stated that it should be the ambition of every poor man in Jamaica to build a big house, and that he was never born with any gold spoon in his mouth. But it was his parents who taught him to have pride. He stated that he saw no good reason why anyone should be bad-minded about the house he is building, because it is all the product of hard work, wise investment, and prudent financial decisions. Now, what wise investment and prudent financial decisions is Andrew Holness talking about? What are his investments? What businesses does he own? And what is his net worth? Andrew Holness holds a 50% stake in a company called ADMAT with 2 other shareholders, Adam and Matthew Holness, his sons, who each own a 25% stake in the entity. ADMAT Incorporated is registered in St. Lucia and was set up as a trust company for Holness's children. Now, why is this company registered in St. Lucia, and what is a trust? The most likely reason why this company is located in St. Lucia is because the island is a tax haven. St. Lucia citizens are exempt from capital gains, dividends, and inheritance taxes. Also, legal entities do not pay taxes on capital gains, dividends, and sometimes value-added tax. In 2016, PNP campaign spokesman Delano Franklin said that it is not unusual for Jamaicans to register companies in St. Lucia due to the favorable taxation climate in that island. He also said that there are members of the PNP who have companies registered in St. Lucia. ADMAT is set up as a trust company for Andrew Holness's children. Now, what is a trust? A trust is a legal relationship in which the holder of a right gives it to another person or entity who must keep and use it solely for another's benefit. The party who entrusts the right is known as the settlor. The party whom the right is entrusted is known as the trustee. The party for whose benefit the property is entrusted is known as the beneficiary, and the entrusted property itself is known as the corpus or trust property. Now, how much is Andrew Holness worth? Let's try and find out. Based on his statutory declaration in 2018, Andrew Holness and family holds $165 million in assets. Holness' statutory declaration showed liabilities of 1.9 million Jamaican dollars and other accounts payable of $20,269,080.27. The declaration for the period January 1, 2018 to December 31, 2018 shows earnings of $15,567,477.41 and an additional $8,125 US. The summary of income, assets, and liabilities of the Holness family highlighted $1,163,244.47 held in local savings accounts, plus current accounts totaling $16,338,970.46. This is in addition to securities totaling 10.6 million Jamaican dollars, real estate valued at $7 million, real estate mortgages, receivables, and business investments of $125,674,523, and accounts receivable of $435,236.04, and total US dollar denominated assets of $28,272.21. In 2020, Holness declared $192 million in assets, 17% more than the figure in 2018. According to the records, the Holness family had approximately $172 million worth of assets denominated in Jamaican currency, with approximately $4.7 million being held in a current account, and securities, that is stocks, was 16.4 million Jamaican dollars. A significant chunk of the Holness assets remains in business investments that total $129.7 million. The family's real estate maintained a value of $20 million. The cash value on life insurance was stated as $2.8 million. Income for the family totaled $19.4 million. The category Other Income shows $6 million. Salary was $10.5 million and realty income was $2.9 million. Their current debt sits at $16 million, made up of $1.2 million in real estate mortgage and $14.8 million listed as other accounts payable. Holness US dollar assets were valued at $135,000 and securities of $112,990. The amount stated in a US savings account was $15,902 and the amount in current account was $6,264. The only US debt noted was through other accounts payable, which shows $7,606 US. Andrew Holness 2021 and 2022 statutory declarations are yet to be certified by the Integrity Commission, raising much concern in the public domain. As for how much he is currently worth, it could be more or less than his last report in 2020, and so we'll just have to wait until his 2021 and 2022 statutory declarations are certified and published to know that answer. Now, what do you guys think of this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.